Bojo. Today we're learning how to conjugate to cook. Ndakizan. I am cooking it. Ndakizanin. I am cooking them. Kudakizan. You are cooking it. Kudakizanin. You are cooking them. Dekizan. He or she is cooking it. Nikizanin. He or she is cooking them. Ndakizamin. We accept you are cooking it. Ndakizamin. We accept you are cooking them. Kudakizamin. We accept you are cooking it. Kudakizamin. We, including you, are cooking it. Kudakizamin. We, including you, are cooking them. Kudakizam. You are all cooking it. Kudakizam. You are all cooking them. Wadakizanawa. They are cooking it. Wadakizanawan. They are cooking them. Some extra examples are Bokma Ndakizan. I am cooking plum. And Bokmen Ndakizanen. I am cooking plums. You would put the thing that you were cooking, for this example, bokma or plum, in the center because in Potawatomi, we put the most important thing first in the sentence.